for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.